Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from group ASK1 and our team members are Shahida, Putri Aisyah and Idrus. We are gonna demonstrate our product which is autonomous oil palm fruit collector in this video. Alright, so basically this is for the weight sensor. So we're gonna show the simulation on how this robot can measure the weight after the oil palm fruit have been collected and put it into the storage container at the back. Due to the challenge we face, we cannot get the oil palm fruit for the simulation. Hence, we replace the oil palm fruit with other object for simulation. Firstly, the weight shown at I2C OLED is 0 gram. Then I put the object into the storage container. Weight sensor or load cell is placed below the storage container. And here we can see that the I2C OLED has shown the weight of the object. So here is the simulation for the autonomous oil palm fruit collector. So we deploy the robot on the floor. The robot will move toward the oil palm fruit. Then the roller picker will pick the oil palm fruit by rolling into the oil palm fruit. So we just want to show the mechanism on how the robot operates during its operation.
Next is the software part of the machine. So we are using the object detection software. About the object detection is actually a computer technology related to computer vision and image processing that deals with detecting of semantic objects of a certain class. So our class that we integrate in this software is the loose fruit. So we are detecting the loose fruit. The object detection also can check the building, the vehicles, and also people. The workflow of the object detection is we have a set of training data. This is already labeled in the label image. So it will be trained in the specific model training. So it is classified into a certain type of data. Before we want to test or check the test image, we change it into a data. So the data will be classified and matched with the training data. Later, the result will be appear if training data and the testing data is matched. Next is TensorFlow. So we are using TensorFlow in our program. So the word tensor means standards way of representing data in deep learning, which is a multi-dimensional arrays, an extension of two-dimensional tables, matrices to data with higher dimension. So this is the representation of the data in a matrix form. There are three types of representation. First, the 1-to-1 array, the 2x2, and the 3x3, which is the 3D dimension. The word TensorFlow is actually a computation which is approached as a data flow graph, where the set of data will be used in a process of blocks where the data will be detected. Either the output will come out or will be in a loop to check either it's matched or not. So the input data will be saved in a VOC type and later will be used in the training model in the TensorFlow. So after the TensorFlow is already created, the model of training data, so when we want to test a new data, it will be classified into the specified model, and if the data is matched with the input data, so the output will appear with detection box. Like we can see, there are two loose fruits, so it will be detected as the previous data trained it before. As we can see, there are two type of model. Faster RCNN Inception V2 Coco model is chosen compared to the mobile net SSD V1 because it is more accurate compared to the other model. So later in the next video, we can see how we use the OpenCV.